Did you know there's a convenient tool in B courses which helps you access reading materials in different formats? It's called Ally, and depending on how your courses are set up, it can be accessed in multiple ways. To begin, log into B courses and navigate to your desired course page. One way to access the Ally tool is to select Files from the course navigation menu and locate the folder containing downloadable files. When you hover over a row with the listed files, 3 dots appear in the last column. Select the 3 dots and the Alternative Formats option appears in the drop-down list. Another way to access the Ally tool is to select the file name from the Files view. Above the file preview is the Alternative Formats option. A third way to access the Ally tool depends on whether or not your course uses the Pages feature. Pages allow instructors to link directly to files. If your course uses this feature, navigate to a page in B courses. When the page contains file links, you'll notice a down arrow next to the file name. Select this icon and the Alternative Formats option appears in the drop-down list. A fourth way to access Ally in B courses is to navigate to the Modules tab in the course navigation menu. If this tab is active, you may see links to files here. Select the desired file and a preview of the file appears. Above the file preview is the Alternative Formats option. Depending on the original file type, the choice of alternative formats can include tagged PDF, HTML, EPUB, electronic braille, audio, Beeline Reader, and translated versions. Each one of these versions provides a unique way of engaging with your course materials. Choose your preferred option and select the Download button. These alternative formats work well for multiple learning preferences. For more information about Ally and B courses, email allyhelp@berkeley.edu.